Hello there everybody. Today we've got an R60170 Lowmac with Coca-Cola bottle, £25.49. I've just had it delivered today, so let's open it up. All important paperwork. I've had this on order for some time now. Yeah, on the 11th of the 1st, 2022. I think that's very good packaging. They had it in, I don't think it could rattle, so they've done it quite well. If you ever watch Sam's Trains videos, he had one of these and he calls it Rusty. I've got one as well. I don't give it a name. Don't know why he calls it Rusty. Maybe because it gets a bit rusty, I don't know. Why is it when somebody gets one of these, they always want to pop it? Comment below. Anyway, well, it looks different in the photo on the Hornby website. That bottle looks a lot bigger. Anyway, it's well branded by the Hornby logo and the Coca-Cola. I'll just show you the side of the box. R60170 Lowmac with Coca-Cola bottle. It just says Hornby. Not much on the back, just about the trademark and that sort of stuff for both Hornby hobbies, and it's an official product, and it says for adult collectors only. I think because they say that because Coca-Cola has a lot of sugar in it, and I think something to do with that, and it is a licensed product. So let's get it out. I'll show you a picture from the website right now so you can see the difference. It's very light, no paperwork, no accessories. There it is. Does the bottle even come out? I don't want to force it. Plastic wheels, not much detail. I think it's just says Coca-Cola there. There's like a few bits of detail there. Don't know how well the camera can pick that up, but I'm not quite too sure what they're supposed to be. But it just says Coca-Cola, Lowmac, Coca-Cola. Quite too sure what. There's maybe some sort of little handbrake thing there. Maybe, I'm not sure. See that little handle maybe for the handbrake there. Maybe perhaps has not got sprung buffers. I don't know if you can quite pick that up, but all it says is Hornby made in China underneath. It's got the decoupling on it. All there is left to do is give it a test. This is my summertime train, or my Coca-Cola train if you like, which I got earlier this year, I think it was. So it's just, as you can see, one Coca-Cola logo with 3 detachable. These are just simply lift on and off. You can see there's 4 of them little plastic things there, 4 holes, then just come straight on and off like so. And then there's a Diet Coke tank wagon. Let's just hope this should. I think that's coupled up. Through the tunnel. Over the suspension bridge. This is truly a Coca-Cola train. Not quite sure what you want to call these box wagons, maybe. Tank wagon and a Coca-Cola bottle. All seems to be running well. Anyway, that's my quick review of the Lowmac Coca-Cola bottle wagon. I think you get the idea now. It's only a quick review anyway. Thanks for watching. Hope you quite like it. I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Thank you. Bye.